Hello dear friends, welcome back to our live session. So in today's live session we are going to see how you can be able to deploy a PHP code using AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So the first thing first, we will show you how to do it on using the AWS Management Console. If you want me to do it on the CLI, you can comment down below in the comment section. So first thing first, why do we need Elastic Beanstalk? We need Elastic Beanstalk because this is a managed service. You will not manage any infrastructure. You will use it as what we call as platform as a service. So you will not manage the EC2. This one will be done will be done by AWS. So let's get to the demo. First, you go to the search bar, search for Elastic Beanstalk, and Beanstalk, and then we create an application. But before we create an application, you need to create an environment. So here the way you create an environment, you open it on this dashboard, then you create an environment. We want a web server environment. We add the application name, and to add an application name you can also add it using here, but for now let us use the environment way. We say we want a PHP server environment. Then after doing so, we go at the bottom. We want to use, we choose the platform. We want to use PHP, and it will choose the default platform and branch. So here you can choose for application code. You can either choose to do a sample application, or you can choose to upload your code. So let us upload our simple PHP code. So we will do it. I don't have it now, so I can go to the terminal, control terminal, then go to this. We create a PHP file. Then we want to write the simple PHP code. Okay, so I have a sample in my notes. Yep, this is the sample PHP code. So we copy it and paste, then we save. And if you would like to do a Linux course, because you can comment down in the comment down. So we have the PHP code, so we need to upload it in the zip file. So I forgot how to zip. So let us see how do we zip in a MacBook. So do zip. Yes, I should have done this earlier, but let us do it. So I must I must zip only a folder, not a file. So let us go and do that. So we make a directory PHP file. We make a directory called PHP. Then we move our index file to PHP file. Okay. Then we alias our PHP file. Yes, it has already been moved. Then we zip the file. We zip the folder. We add our file. Then we add okay, so now let us go and upload it. Choose file, downloads. This is our PHP file. We upload it. Then we go to next. Here we will leave it as default. We got okay, let us add the version. I forgot about that. Then we go to next. Then here there is a video that explains this part better. I will link it in the description, so check it out, because we need a lol that we can able to use it to for EBS to create a load balancer, to create an EC2. So there is a video that explains this part better. So I had already created mine earlier, so we go to next. But you have to check that video and create how it create the IAM lols. Then you go to the VPC, you select your VPC, virtual private cloud. Then you choose the some two availability zones, so, and then for database we just leave it as we don't need to create a database. Then we go to next. So here we just leave it everything as next as default. The EBS will manage our service and create a EC2, create a EMI. Everything will be handled for us. For us, we just need to upload the code. So we leave it as default. We are changing nothing here. And we create next. Then when we create next, the EBS will create the EC2 for us, and also it creates a file where it stores logs in the S3. So if you can go to your S3, let me show you on mine. S3 buckets. So here are my buckets, and I saw it here. So this bucket, Elastic Beanstalk, you can see it creates a bucket where it stores the log for anything that is happening around Elastic Beanstalk. So now we are creating the service. Let us wait for a few minutes and see whether the service will be done, so we can check if an EC2 is being created. And yep, you can see we have a PHP server that is being created, and let us give it at some few minutes. It will give us a domain name which we will use to access the PHP websites. So I don't think I have forgotten anything regarding Elastic Beanstalk. And if you maybe seen an error here, you can comment in the comment section. Yep, as we are waiting for T3 micro to be created. So the good thing about doing Elastic Beanstalk, AWS manage your infrastructure, and the way I was telling you, you can see here it handles the load balancing. But if you are creating yourself, if you are creating your own EC2 instance, you have to create your own load balancer. But because you are doing a managed service, the AWS handles that service for you. It manages even the storage. You don't have to worry. Okay. It's taking a lot of time. It even creates the security group. I think I forgot on how to create security groups, but I think it has done that part. So you can see here we have a domain. Maybe if we click it, we have an error because we did not choose the security groups. So that is how you do it. I think I will handle the error later. So let me show you where you are supposed to handle the security groups. I forgot to do the security groups here somewhere, but that is how we do it.